Hello, Sophie.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good. Can you hear me well?
Yes,
Yeah.
going to accept.
Mm-hmm.
What a beautiful space.
Yeah, there are many
Wow.
spaces like this here. This is
Unbelievable. Wonderful.
So I put up a map here of where I am in Japan.
Wow. Mino. Okay.
Yeah, so this is an old map. This is a 16th century map, I think, but the place was used to, they used to call it Mino, and that's why
Yes.
we have this pottery called Mino ware here.
Okay.
But we're right in the middle of the main island, as you can see.
This is unbelievable. It's like being, wow.
So you see our house there. That's the brown house. We were just up in the brown house there, second floor, behind the window to the left there. And now we are outside on the back of the house, and this little creek here. And you see all the kids. They're having a biology lesson class in the little creek there, catching creatures.
Right.
Yeah. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, so here we go. This is autumn.
Wow! Wow, this is incredible. So this is a Buddhist temple.
Yes, down there in the valley. Down there in the valley is the main temple building.
When you took that picture, you were higher up behind us, looking down on the temple.
Yeah, well, basically the camera is just in the middle of where we are sitting. Yeah. So I usually, when I take these, I hide away, so I'm not visible in the picture. So I'm probably behind some tree or something.
Okay.
Yeah, and
this is outstanding.
Here we go.
Wow.
This is the main Zen temple behind us, and you can come here early in the mornings and do meditation with the monks, and then they will serve you tea inside in a special ceremony.
Wow! So people come here for their morning meditation, and this tree.
Yes.
I've never seen a tree like this in my life. Really?
It's called a ginkgo tree, I think. It's a very, very old kind of tree. It's from the age of the dinosaurs, if I remember correctly. And they turn very, very yellow in autumn. So people come to admire them. This is before the pandemic, so there's quite a lot of people, as you see, without masks and everything. But
100%.
The nice thing with this temple is that, unlike Kyoto and other these tourist trap places, you can come here and there's nobody around, so you can, be completely on your own, and you can take pictures and then you can meditate or whatever. So it's very, very peaceful normally. And have a look around.
The bridge.
Yes, it's quite nice.
Looks like Monet,
Yes, that's right.
Oh, and so awesome.
Yeah. All these Buddhist temples, they used to be, or they still are, a part of a big network of temples connected all over the country. And so they were used to be kind of a information highway at the time, many hundred years ago. So monks would travel between the temples and carry information and things. Yeah. So they were also part of this pottery history here, because the monks would carry back, bowls for the tea ceremony back to Kyoto, and so on and so forth. So that's how they exchange things and information around the country.
Wow. Trees are just the leaves are so magnificent.
Yes, that's very nice over there.
Wow. This is absolutely insane.
I'm glad you like it.
Very, more than you can imagine. It's
really
so much of a new world, Hans, because I'm
really
feeling the today more than ever the that cabin fever,
Yes.
and I'm love traveling and exploring and understanding and seeing, and
Right.
I'm just stuck at home. So not
Ah.
only am I seeing your beautiful pictures, but
Right.
also I feel in my heart transported, and that
Yes.
is actually possible through the images and you and the brain.
Exactly, and we feel like, even like look like comic characters. I feel that you are actually sitting over there, and you see me, and we are together here.
Exactly. I feel like we are exactly in the same room,
Right.
and you are showing me around, and I
Yes.
traveled across the world to be next to you. It's
Yeah.
absolutely incredible. Wow. Check at those leaves.
Yes.
Wow. Your photography is out of this world.
Thank you.
And
Yeah.
that tree behind me is very special.
Hmm.
The
Yes.
shape of it.
Yes. Yes. They are very into gardening. The garden is a very important part of the temple experience. So
Yes.
so they do that very nicely.
And even the randomness of the leaves, am I correct?
Yes. Yes.
Is important.
Yes.